Get ready to shape, bake, and make your own erasers. Prepare your clay, roller, tools, and a clean surface to work on. Knead each clay color until it's soft and easy to shape. Your EraserLab kit comes with a mold to make fun themed erasers. Here's how to use it. Spray the mold lightly with water using the spray bottle. Press the clay firmly into the mold. Pop out your shape. It should come out easily. You can make a full eraser with just the mold or use the molded shape as part of a bigger eraser you design. Now it's time to get creative. We'll show you how to make a rooster, a panda, and a goldfish. Let's kick things off by making a cool rooster eraser. Roll your clay into a smooth ball, then shape it into a cylinder. Gently roll both ends to smooth them out. Take the bottom end and bend it backward to form a little tail. Use the roller to smooth everything out. Then, press a line in the center of the tail with the plastic knife to give it some feather-like details. Roll 2 small balls of clay. Flatten and shape them into wings. Add feather lines with the knife, then stick one on each side of the body. Roll a small red cylinder and place it on top of the head. That's the comb. Press a few indents into it, then bend the tip back a little for extra flair. Roll a tiny ball of clay, then shape one end into a cone. Trim it if needed, then attach it under the comb. Make 2 small black circles and place them above the beak to make the eyes. Roll a small red ball and press a line through the middle, then stick it right below the beak. Make 2 black circles and flatten them. Add little lines for toes, then attach them to the bottom as feet. This should be the final look of your rooster. Next up, we're making a friendly little panda. Roll a white ball of clay and flatten it a little. This will be the panda's head. Roll a small black ball, then flatten it. Now roll a smaller white ball and flatten it on top of the black. Cut it in half to make 2 matching ears. Stick the ears on top of the panda's head. Let's give your panda some eyes. Start with a black circle and flatten it onto the face. Add a smaller white circle on top, then a smaller black circle. Finally, add the tiniest white dot on top. Do the same on the other side. Roll a tiny black circle to make the nose and place it under the eyes. Roll a big black ball, then shape it into an oval. That's the panda's body. Flatten a smaller white circle and press it onto the middle of the belly. Use the roller to smoothen it out. Roll 4 short black cylinders for the arms and legs. Pinch one end of each piece to help attach them. Press the arms on the sides and legs underneath the body. Use the rounded side of your knife to smooth out where the arms and legs connect. This helps hold everything together. Make tiny white circles and press them onto the ends of the arms and legs. These are your panda's paws. Now gently press the panda's head onto the top of the body. Give it a little squish to make sure it stays in place. This should be the final look of your panda. Up next, we're making a fun little goldfish eraser. Let's get started. Roll a big ball of orange clay and flatten it just a little. This is going to be the body of your goldfish. Let's make the fin that goes on top of the fish. Roll a small ball and flatten it. Pinch both sides to shape it like a triangle. Press it onto the top of the body. Use the roller to smoothen it out. Roll 4 small balls into little cylinders. Flatten and bend the ends downward a little to give them a wavy look. Use your plastic knife to add lines to make them look like real fins. Stick 2 fins on the sides of the body, then add the other 2 to the back for the tail. Roll 2 white balls and 2 smaller black ones. Stack them to make the eyes, then place them on the front of the body. Roll 1 last ball for the mouth. Use the rounded side of your knife and press in a little smile. Stick it right below the eyes. This should be the final look of your goldfish. Place your rooster, panda, and goldfish on a baking tray. Ask an adult to bake it at 110 to 130 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes. Let your erasers cool completely before touching or using them. Awesome job! You made not one, not two, but 3 amazing erasers. If you had fun with this kit, you'll love our other EraserLab kits. Each one comes with different clay colors and unique molds, so you can create even more shapes and designs.